My name's Arnell. Our whole family, we're all Mercedes families.
Okay, great.
When I graduated from college, from Florida State, my parents gave me a C230 in '97 that we purchased at Broomis Motor Cars. It was an off-lease, and I had to turn in I had a 944, and it had to go to Porsche Heaven. Long story short, I drove this car till 2011 with 355,000 miles on the clock. I traded it in for an '08 ML 350, but I always wanted to find where my C230 was. Lo and behold, the car was still alive, and I was able to track her down, and I bought her back in 2017, and we got reunited. Every single tear, every little nook and cranny or little dents that I put in the car, because my sister went with me to go look at the car, and she was like, well, what about this dent? And I said, no, remember, I did that dent back in 2000 so-and-so when I was hauling this from. And my sister was like, oh my God, I can't believe we're actually buying your old car back. The car now has about 407,000 miles on it, and I'm doing all the work piece by piece, one by one, and restoring it to her natural glory. And getting the body work done this coming July.
Great.
So when we got the car home, actually before that, my sister asked me, because I was dating a girl, she said, so is your girlfriend going to be okay with you buying this car? And I was like, well, I hope so. She goes, well, you better propose to that girl, and she's a winner and a keeper. So later that evening when we got the car home, I ran in the house, hid the engagement ring in the glove box, and I proposed to her in that car. And we now got married December 1st of last year.
Congratulations.
And I got my car back, so I got my two loves of my life.